Onions are one of the most widely consumed vegetables in the world, prized for their flavor and versatility in cooking. However, beyond their culinary appeal, onions are also packed with nutrients and health benefits that can significantly impact your body. This article explores the effects of consuming onions daily for a week, supported by scientific evidence. Nutritional profile of onions. Before examining the effects of eating onions, it's important to understand their nutritional content. Onions are low in calories but rich in vitamins and minerals. A medium-sized raw onion, about 110 grams, contains calories, 44 carbohydrates, 10 grams fiber, 9 grams protein, 1 gram fat, 1 grams vitamins. Onions are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. Minerals: they contain potassium, manganese, and small amounts of calcium and iron. Antioxidants: onions are high in quercetin and other flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Day 1. Improved digestive health. As you begin your week of eating onions, you may notice an improvement in your digestive health. Onions are rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. The fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Research published in Nutrition Reviews emphasizes the importance of fiber in supporting digestive health and preventing gastrointestinal disorders. Slavin, 2013. Onions contain a type of soluble fiber called inulin, which acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This can lead to improved gut health and better digestion. Day 2. Enhanced heart health. By the second day of consuming onions, you may experience benefits for your cardiovascular health. Onions contain several compounds that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure. The antioxidants and sulfur compounds in onions, particularly quercetin, have been linked to heart health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that quercetin can help reduce blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. Zhang et al., 2010. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of onions can help prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. Day 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. On the third day, you may begin to notice a reduction in inflammation throughout your body. Onions are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Quercetin, in particular, has been shown to have significant anti-inflammatory effects. A study in Frontiers in Pharmacology discusses how quercetin can help reduce markers of inflammation in the body, potentially alleviating symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions. Pasasa et Pop, 2015. By including onions in your diet, you may experience reduced symptoms of conditions like arthritis or other inflammatory disorders. Day 4. Immune system boost. As you continue consuming onions into the fourth day, you may notice an improvement in your immune system. Onions are a rich source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in supporting immune function. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells and acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage. Research published in Nutrients highlights the importance of vitamin C in enhancing immune responses and reducing the severity of infections. Carmagini, 2017. By incorporating onions into your meals, you may help bolster your body's defenses against illness. Day 5. Better blood sugar control. On the fifth day, the consumption of onions may help improve blood sugar control. Onions contain compounds that have been shown to have a beneficial effect on insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. A study published in Nutrition and Metabolism found that onion extract can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity in individuals with type 2 diabetes. O'Connell et al., 2015. The sulfur compounds and quercetin in onions can also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a valuable addition to the diet for those managing diabetes. Day 6. Improved bone health. By the sixth day, you may begin to appreciate the potential benefits of onions for bone health. Onions contain a variety of nutrients, including potassium and antioxidants, which can contribute to maintaining strong bones. A study published in Journal of Bone and Mineral Research found that the consumption of onions may help increase bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Sani et al., 2010. The flavonoids found in onions, particularly quercetin, have been linked to increased bone mineral density, making onions a valuable food for maintaining skeletal health. Day 7. Enhanced mood and mental health. As you reach the end of your week of eating onions, you may notice positive changes in your mood and mental health. The nutrients found in onions, particularly folate and vitamin B6, play essential roles in brain health and mood regulation. A study published in Psychological Medicine indicates that folate is associated with a lower risk of depression. Tucker et al., 2006. Additionally, the antioxidants in onions may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Conclusion: incorporating onions into your daily diet for a week can yield numerous health benefits, from improved digestive health and cardiovascular support to enhanced immune function and mood regulation. Their rich nutritional profile, combined with their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, makes onions a powerful ally in promoting overall health. While individual responses may vary, scientific evidence supports the potential benefits of consuming onions regularly. As with any dietary change, it's essential to consider your individual health needs and consult with a healthcare professional if necessary. Embracing onions as part of a balanced diet can contribute to a healthier, more vibrant you.